Afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Afternoon, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
I'm good, thank you. In last class, we have discussed about rise of international congress and their demands, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Demands of international congress.
Congress.
You have to remember lot of names from this chapter, right? In this chapter, you have to remember lot of names, name of some social reformers, right?
Ma'am, some
Then in this lesson, you have to remember lot of names. A lot of names are there, right? Names of social reformers, right? Many social reformers were there. Then famous international congress leaders. Many names are there, right? Anyway, you have to remember some important names. You have to by heart. Okay? Then last class we have discussed about rise of international congress and demands of international congress. I'll give you a brief summary of last class. After that, I'll be asking some questions. Okay, all of you listen here. Rise of international congress. International Congress was India's first political party. Political party means group of individuals have to come together to attain a gain, to gain something for a particular purpose, right? Then International Congress or INC was formed in 1885. First meeting of INC was held in Bombay. Then who were the founders of INC? A.O. Hume, Alan Octavian Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji. Some famous leaders of INC were Rahimtullah Sayani, Badruddin Diabji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee. Right? Then INC worked hard. What were the works of INC? INC worked hard to educate Indians about their rights. Then INC did not go for any revolt, or they did not want any revolt. They pointed out unhappiness or the problems of Indians to the British government. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we learn who was the first president of INC? W.C. Banerjee. He was the first president of International Congress. Who is the present president of INC?
Sonia Gandhi.
Sonia Gandhi.
Sonia Gandhi.
Then next we discussed demands of International Congress. International Congress, I told you in the beginning, International Congress did not challenge the British government or did not go for a fight. Right? They did not want to fight with the British government. So they put forward their misery, their unhappiness, their problems. Right? They followed a peaceful method. First, they informed the British government about their problems, right? We all are following the same method, right? If we have a problem, if we are facing a problem, what is the first step? What we will do first?
To find the solution.
Yeah, first we inform our problem very softly to the authority, right? To the leaders or, right? Then if the leaders are not taking any action to solve our problem, we will go for other methods, right? We will choose other methods, right? You know what we will do, right? We will become angry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way British. INC, what they did first, they did not openly challenge the British. They did not go for a revolt or a war. First, they informed their unhappiness and problems to the British government. And they put forward 4 demands in front of the British government. First demand was freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of, why we have the sentence freedom of speech and expression here means, before Indian people, they protested or they showed their anger through their novels, through their writings, poems. So they express their anger through these ways, right? Through their novels, drama, poem, song, etc. But the British people did not like this, so they compelled them to stop writing or expressing their viewpoints or their opinion through writings. That's why Indian National Congress put forward this as a first demand: freedom of expression and speech, freedom of speech and expression by allowing Indians to publish their opinion in newspaper, in books. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The point is clear?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
did INC put forward this as a first demand, freedom of speech and expression? Because Indian people, they used to, or they expressed their anger towards the British government through their writings. And they tried to make aware the Indian people about the rule of, about the British government, right? How they are ruling. But British didn't like this. So they compelled Indians to stop writing, to stop expressing their opinion through newspaper, through magazine, through poems, plays and all. So INC put forward this as a first demand: freedom of speech and expression by allowing Indian people to express their opinion in newspaper. Got the first point?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Second point, as we all know, leaders are selected by people, right? But when the British ruled over India, Indian leaders were selected by British government. So Indians did not like this system. So they demanded leaders are to be elected by themselves, by the Indians, right? Not by the British government. Dear children, it's heavy raining. 1 second. Third demand of INC was money, provide or give money for hospitals and schools.
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Okay.
fourth point was they wanted to know how money was spent by the British government, because British government collected huge amount from Indians. They collected huge amount from Indians to make them poor and powerless. So Indians wanted to know how the British government spent this money. Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here are the demands of. I'll be asking some questions. Okay, close your textbook and listen. Who believed that service to mankind is service to God? Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Who believed service to human, right? Mankind is service to God. Who said this? Agne,
Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda. Madhav, you got the answer? Whose word is this? Service to mankind is service to
Swami
God. What is the meaning of the sentence? Help
That
others.
help others.
Help others.
Who among the following was the leader of Indian National Congress? Okay, I'll give you options for this. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subramanya Bharati, Mangal Pandey, Swami Vivekananda. Who was the leader of the National Congress?
Can you repeat the
Gautam,
options? Ma'am, can you repeat the options?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mangal Pandey, Subramanya Bharati. Who was the leader of Indian National Congress?
Yeah.
Baladanda Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak, right? Then you can guess, right? Mangal Pandey, he was a soldier, right?
Yes, ma'am.
He was a soldier, he was hanged. Then hanged to death. He was hanged to death, right? During
Yes, ma'am.
1857 revolt, that time. Then Subramanya Bharati, he was
He's a writer.
he was a reformer, right?
Literature reformer.
Ah, yes. Literature, right? He was a reformer in literature, right? Okay. Then one,
Swami Vivekananda.
yes. Well,
Swami Vivekananda is in
he was a social reformer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Rajaram Mohan Roy was Rajaram Mohan Roy was I last to Chinmay. Rajaram Mohan Roy was a
Social reformer.
social reformer. Very good. Vande Mataram was written by Richard. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Richard. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Richard has a network problem. Devak Menon.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay. Who wrote Janaganamana? Adinath Nair.
Ma'am, Ravindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. Very good, both of you. Then, which play was published by Dinabandhu Mitra to show the misery of indigo farmers? I'll call Daniel.
Ma'am, Neel Darpan.
Neel Darpan. Very good. Then, when was INC formed? Adil Shafiq. Adil. When was INC formed? Chris Joe.
1885.
1885. First meeting of INC was held in Anantesh? Sorry? Bombay. Good. What were the 4 demands of INC? First, I'll ask. Alok, then the first demand of INC. This video is stuck. Felix Naijo. Can you say one demand of Indian National Congress? Felix?
Yes, ma'am. Money for hospitals and schools.
Money for hospitals and schools. Very good. Angelina, second one.
Ma'am, freedom of speech and expressions
Freedom of speech and expression.
by allowing the Indians to publish their views by magazines and
magazines and newspapers. Right? Okay.
novels.
Okay. Manu, third point, third demand of INC.
The third, the Indian people, the municipal should be elected
Leaders to be elected by
the Indian people.
Indian people, not by
British
British government.
not by British government. Good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Anthony, one more point is it?
The Indians need to know where is the money spent by government.
Indians need to know how the British spent money.
The money
The money.
of Indians.
Yes, how did they spend the money or how revenue was being spent by the British government? I hope till this it's clear to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Confusion, no doubt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, next we are going to discuss the continuation of this topic, demands of Indian National Congress, right? We have discussed 4 demands of Indian National
The National
Congress.
Congress.
Then, as we discussed earlier, we know different people or different leaders tried to get freedom in different ways, right? Their own ways. They tried.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
people, they express their anger towards British through their writings. Some people formed a political party, right? Like that, different
Yes,
people
ma'am.
express or different people try to gain freedom through different method or through different ways. So, among them one is Dadabhai Nauroji. He was one of the famous leader of INC, Indian National Congress.
Yes, ma'am. He
He
is also
showed
a
how
founder.
the British robbed India of its wealth. How did British people, he showed Indians, how did British rob India? Rob means, what is the meaning of rob?
Steal.
Yeah.
He took money.
How did they
Steal the
steal
wealth.
India's wealth? How did British steal India's wealth? Right? And he blamed them for being India being poor. They collected money from Indians. What was the aim behind us? Make Indians
To make
poor and
poor
powerless, right?
and powerless.
Then he blamed British for this, for India being poor. And he make aware about, he convinced the Indian people about the rule of British. How did they steal India's wealth? Okay, Dadabhai Nauroji. He was one of the famous leader of Indian National Congress.
Congress.
Then next person, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What is the name of this person?
All con.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Then Bipin Chandrapal,
Bipin Chandrapal,
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai.
They were some of the famous leaders of Indian National Congress.
Yes, ma'am.
Who were they?
There were some
Let's win.
important.
Let's win. Unmute your audio. I have that 3 names, right? Can you read it? Can you read those names?
Is muted.
Okay, Fia.
Yes, ma'am.
Read these 3 names of famous leaders of INC. Bal Gangadhar Tilak,
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Mohandas Gandhi.
sorry,
Bipin
Bipin Chandrapal
Lala
and Lala Lajpat Rai.
Rai.
Lala Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandrapal.
Nauroji.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then who can say these 3 names? Raise your hand.
Ma'am can.
Angelina. Okay. I'll come to you, Felix. Yes.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak,
Bal Gangadhar Tilak,
Bipin Chandrapal,
Bipin Chandrapal,
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai. Anthony.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak,
Bal Gangadhar Tilak,
Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandrapal.
Bipin Chandrapal. Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai. Right? All these 3 were the important and famous leaders of the National Congress. Felix, can you say the 3 names?
Bal
Felix, can you
Gangadhar.
say these 3 names?
Okay, ma'am. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandrapal,
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bipin Chandrapal,
Mm.
and Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai. Then, okay. Then we learned one sentence that Indian National Congress did not openly challenge the British government, right? They
Yes,
did not
ma'am, they
want to
told
fight
them
with the
not to
British
fight
government,
or
right?
war.
They approached, they very softly approached the British government. They just pointed out unhappiness of Indian people to the British government, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These people, the leaders of International Congress, they felt British would not listen the demands of INC.
Yes.
Clear? They
ma'am.
demanded many things, right? They demanded. They had some demands, right? And they
Yes,
put
ma'am,
forward their demands in front of the British government. But
Yes,
they
ma'am.
understood and they felt British government did not listen their demands, or they would not listen to the demands of International Congress. Who felt? Who all felt this?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai.
Bipin
They
Chandrapal.
felt British would not listen to the demands of INC or
Congress.
International Congress. They have put forward some demands, right? 4 demands
Yes,
they have
ma'am,
put
four
forward.
demands.
demands.
Yes, yes.
For defense.
Then, so what they decided?
Their strong actions.
Yeah, they decided. They thought some strong action to be needed.
Needed to be
Some
taken.
actions to be taken. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fia? Fia, are you playing with? So they thought about strong action. They understood British people did not listen the demands, or they felt they would not listen to the demands of International Congress. So they
International
thought about strong action. So they asked people to fight for Swaraj. It's a new word for you. What is Swaraj? What is Swaraj? Swaraj. Yes. Swaraj means?
Freedom.
Swaraj means self-rule. Here, what is the meaning of self-rule?
Self, to take
Self-rule means?
our decision. Our decision.
Swaraj. They argued for, they demanded Swaraj. They asked the people to fight for Swaraj. What is the meaning of Swaraj? Swaraj
Self-rule.
means self-rule. Self-rule means rule by themselves, rule by the people of India. Not, they don't want British government.
British government to take the rule.
By themselves or rule by Indians. Self-rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Balagangadhar Tilak encouraged the people with a slogan. What was his slogan? Swaraj is my birthright
Birthright.
and I shall have it. What was the slogan of Balagangadhar Tilak?
Swaraj is my birthright
Swaraj
and
is
I
my-
shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright.
Is my birthright.
Birthright.
Is my birth.
Right. And I shall have it.
Birthright and I shall have it.
Have it.
Who said this?
Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Always say full name. Okay, don't say Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Tilak.
Whose words are those?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What he said, Swaraj is my birthright. I shall
Birthright.
have
I
it.
shall have
What
it.
is the meaning of Swaraj? Self-rule.
Self-rule.
Rule by the people, not by the British government.
Swaraj.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then today we discuss only a few points. What we discuss? We learned the name of 3 leaders again, right?
Yes. Against the
Who were
strong
they? Bal
action.
Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and
Bipin
Bipin
Chandrapal.
Chandrapal. Then there is an order for this. First you should say Bal Gangadhar
Bal
Tilak,
Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandrapal, and Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Right.
Okay. Then they understood, these leaders felt, yes,
Ma'am, in the first data by narrative showed how the British steal the wealth, right?
Yeah, Dattabai Navroji showed how British people, how did they steal India's wealth, right? Then
Yes,
began the
ma'am.
name of three famous leaders of INC. Then they felt British would not listen or hear their problems or their demands. So they thought about a strong action.
Actions.
Means strong action to be taken, right? Then Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he raised his slogan. What is the slogan? Swaraj is my birthright.
Birthright, and I shall have it.
I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright. I shall.
have it.
What is the meaning of Swaraj?
Self-rule. Self-rule.
Self-rule. Self-rule means
Indians' decisions. Our own rules.
people
Our own
govern
rules.
themselves, right? People
Yes, ma'am.
govern themselves,
Yes, ma'am.
not by the British government. Not by the British government. People govern themselves. Who said Swaraj is my birthright?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think this is enough. Okay. Then Congress leaders, INC, the National Congress leaders, they have different opinion about how to fight against the British people, how to express their anger towards British government. They had their own ideas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So different opinions raised among them. Different people had different opinion about this, how to fight against the British rule or British government, right? So Indian National Congress, among this group, among this political party, different people had different opinion. So two groups, it broken or divided into two groups. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class. We won't get time to complete this point.
Okay, ma'am.
This,
The Tilak's icon.
yes. What is the meaning of Swaraj?
Self-rule.
Self-rule means
Self-rule. Our decisions.
Decision.
will govern themselves, right?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then what Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he raised a slogan, right? What was it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it.
I shall have it.
Swaraj is my birthright. I shall have it.
Shall have
Have
it.
it.
It was a slogan raised by
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Tilak. Yes, good. Okay. It's a time to wind up the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Dear children, you must read your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.